All right, and example 2 is very, very similar to the first example, and it is on page 404 again, and we have this group, and it is 2x minus 3 minus the group of x minus 2. And so this minus here, I'm going to change the color, this minus here means the opposite of this group here. And we're looking at the opposite signs. So let's march it down here. And this one here is a positive x, but we're going to change that to a negative x because it's the opposite of a positive. And this one here is the opposite of a negative, so that would be a positive 2. So you're actually changing the signs of both terms in this group. So you march it on down, and then you just do your like terms or combine like terms. 2x minus 1x is x, and negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. And you cannot combine x's and numbers, so it is done. And let's move on to number 3. It's on page 405. And this one here says find this group here, negative 2x minus 4 and minus 2x. And this is in parentheses here. All right. So what you're going to do here is we have this group here. It's negative 2x minus 4. I'm going to change colors. And then minus 2x. That really is just minus 2x there. So there's only one term in there, and it's a positive, but this makes it the opposite of that, so it would be negative 2x, and we're going to march it down. So negative 2x, and it's minus 0, or you can just leave it alone. Leave that space open. And so we're going to like terms here. Negative 2x minus 2x is minus 4x. And negative 4 minus 0 is negative 4. So you can box that in because x's do not go with your numbers. And number 4, on the lower part of that page, it says find 6x plus 5. That's in a group 6x plus 5 is a group. Two terms in that. Minus 3x plus 1. All right. And we have two groups here with two terms in each one. And so we're going to march this down. But this is the opposite of each term here. So negative 3x, because it's a positive, so it would be negative 3x. And this is a positive 1, so that would make that a negative 1. So march it on down, and we can simplify the terms or combine the terms. 6x minus 3x is 3x. 5 minus 1 is plus 4. And you are done because you cannot do any more. And let's do number 5 on that same page. And it says group of negative 4x minus 7 minus negative 5x minus 2. Oops, sorry. And I'm going to rewrite that. So it's negative 4x minus 7 minus 5x minus 2. Okay, and I hope you can see that a little bit better. So we have this set of terms, and then we have the opposite of these terms, the signs, and so that would make this a positive. So we're going to march this down, and it is 5x, and it's positive because it was a negative. It's the opposite of a negative. And this one here is also a positive because it's the opposite of a negative would be a positive 2. So it's the opposite of both of the signs in that group. And so now we can get these together, and they're different signs, so you can subtract, and you get 1x, and we're just going to call it x, and the 5 takes it, so it's positive x. And here, different signs again, and so you subtract, and the 7 takes it. So the answer is x minus 5. Thank you. Bye-bye.